the common ruler. It's hard to read. You can't get a good measurement because of the thickness or parallax. You make 2 marks because the first one isn't close enough. And it won't stay put. Do any of these describe your experience with your own ruler? Incra has the solution. Introducing Incra marking rules, the first real improvement in the common ruler since measuring began. Microfine marking holes locate your pencil mark exactly on target. Draw a perfectly located dot using the marking holes, or locate a short line precisely where you want it. Instant, easy accuracy without eye strain. You can't miss. For metalwork, you can even use a sharp scribe to mark a dimple, then simply connect the dots. How about this refinement? Half holes and slots on the end put your mark precisely at 0. Your old ruler would miss by this much. Strong but flexible stainless steel construction lets you accurately mark and measure along curves. Concave or convex, Incra marking rules easily conform to any project shape. Try this with your ruler. It's also the quickest, easiest, and most accurate compass you'll ever use. Incra marking rules are offered in 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths, with metric versions also available. Let's look at some other measuring and marking solutions from Incra. Does this look familiar? The combination square, a common tool for marking lines parallel to an edge of your workpiece. But for every new measurement, the head must be relocated. It's time-consuming and inaccurate. There must be a better way. Introducing the new Incra T rule. It does the same job as your old combination square and much more. But instead of adjusting a headpiece for each new measurement, simply move your pencil to another hole. It's like a combination square that's always set to every measurement and far more accurate. Use the 1/32 inch holes for drawing lines. Here we are marking drill centers for a cabinet door handle, 1 inch from this edge, then 2 inches and 5 inches from this edge. It's also a precision T-square for marking at right angles to the edge of your work. And you can precisely locate short marks using the individually numbered 1/16 and 1/32 inch marking slots. Or use the 1/64 inch scale for ultra high resolution. The professional T rule even includes marking holes every 1/100th of an inch. Now that's precision. And remember, any of the Incra rules can be used for marking metal by simply using a sharp scribe. For even more versatility, the T-bar is adjustable for making precise vertical measurements above your work surface. The handy 3-inch Tiny T is perfect for small workpieces and tucks away in your shop apron pocket. Incra T rules are offered in 3, 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths. Metric versions are also available. Do you ever find yourself working on the narrow edge of a workpiece? It's not easy to steady the ruler and place your mark. You might try marking the wide face, then transfer the mark with a square, a tedious and slow process at best, but not anymore. Introducing the Incra bend rule. The bend rule's 90-degree shape locks snug against the corner of any workpiece, while the corner marking slots let you wrap your mark all the way around the corner. And it stays in place with just one hand for those difficult vertical measurements. Microfine marking holes and slots at every measurement ensure effortless accuracy. Here, we're laying out a hinge mortise. Use the end of the bend rule to draw perfect perpendiculars and draw precise parallels with the vertical marking scale. This job used to require all of these tools. Now it's quicker, easier, and far more accurate with Incra rules. Recognize this problem? You're trying to confirm a measurement on a drawing and the ruler is too thick to let you get an accurate reading. You lean over the ruler and parallax drives you crazy. You stand the ruler on edge, but then the marks disappear. The Incra bend rule solves all of these problems. The triangular shape puts the scale lines right on your work and angles the numbers right at you. No parallax, easy to read, perfect accuracy. Incra bend rules are offered in 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths, with metric versions also available. But Incra has more than just rulers. Is this how you try to mark an angle? Well, Incra has a better way. The Incra Marking Protractor, an easy-to-use precision tool for marking any angle on any workpiece. The red T-bar ensures exact placement along the edge of your work, while the view window makes it easy to find and align with your starting point. And like all Incra rules, microfine marking holes and slots at every position locate your mark exactly. No effort, no eye strain, perfect accuracy. The red T-bar is removable for using the protractor on the interior of your workpiece. The see-through window aligns the crosshairs. Then place your mark at the interior 5-degree scale, the outer 1-degree scale, or the ultra-fine half-degree scale. You can't miss. And finally, it's a 6-inch centering scale with marking holes and a precision compass too. Finding and marking a center on your workpiece is easy and accurate with Incra's centering rule. Use the microfine marking holes to locate marks relative to a center point. Or use the exclusive protractor feature to transfer perfect angles to your workpiece. The new Precision XY marker measures from both edges of a corner in one operation. Locate drill centers fast and accurately. Great for positioning cabinet doorknobs and handles. One or both T-bars can be removed for single edge referencing or flat work. And like all Incra rules, the easy-to-read, no-glare matte finish along with the unique grid layout make finding and leaving your mark effortless. For more information about the entire line of Incra rules and our many other exciting woodworking products, visit your local Incra dealer today, or take a look at our website at www.incra.com.